Hey guys, Justin here with Roots and Ruins. Today I'm on the beautiful Wabash River trying my luck at some winter fishing and cooking out some good food on a campfire. So come join me. Right now we're heading down to an old low flow dam that I've been wanting to fish for a long time here. So I got my pole here and we're gonna start heading that way. It's a little sketchy getting down there, so we'll see how it goes. So I'll pull down there. I have to jump over this rail here. All right, we're gonna start heading down. It's a little steep, so we'll just take our time here. Not too bad so far. Oh man, I almost fell. All right. Here it is behind me here. Old low flow dam. Get downstream from it a little bit, it'll be a little better fishing. So the plan for the day is to start here and just work our way down the bank about a mile or so and just fish as we go. And we'll see if we can find a good spot down there to cook some dinner up. Take a second here and get my line all squared away here. It's been a bit since I've been fishing. Well, last time was spring or summer, so I'm gonna try to swap out the bait here, or lure. One thing I should say as a disclaimer is that I am by no means a master fisherman, but I know how to catch fish. It's just if you're gonna ask me the specifics on how to do a certain thing fishing, you're probably barking up the wrong tree there. There's tons of other YouTubers out there that are way better to ask. All right, there we go. Just a simple jig with some plastic on it. All right. Bunch of little minnows down here. Look at them all. Oh yeah. So where you see these guys, you're definitely going to see bigger fish. So I'm hoping that they're just sitting right out in that area there. We'll see. All right, we're still moving along the bank here. There's something coming up here that we can try to fish on. Back there is the low flow dam. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but that was a rough walk down here. The brush got really scrubby and it was hard to stay on the bank. I had to go up and up along the top and work my way back down. That was a real pain. But yeah, oh yeah, there is a outflow here. Yeah, so we can try to fish here and see what that gets us. Sometimes some goodies flow out of there and the fish like to wait and gobble them up. So we'll give it a shot. No luck. Doesn't surprise me. Water's pretty cold and fish like to go deeper when it's cold out. It's about 30 something degrees out today, so it makes sense to me. We're gonna move on down here and find a good spot to make a fire and cook up some food. Seems like a good spot right here. Now we'll go collect a little bit of firewood to get a fire going here. All right. Fire's going pretty well. Cook up some food here. Cooking up Hoosier stew. Talked about it last time in the video. Made when I was winter camping. Considerably warmer today than it was that day. But pretty simple meal here. It's just some sausage, a couple potatoes, and an onion. Smoke some eyes here. All right, so first thing we're gonna do first here is I'm gonna grease our pan, so that way we're not burning everything as we go. My knife here, and this butter I made homemade just a few nights ago, so it should be pretty good. Just a little something to get the pan going here. Yeah, that'll work. go. We'll cut up the sausage here, throw that in. The butter's melted. And basically we're gonna fry this sausage up a bit. Stick that there. Let that start cooking. Throw some onion in with it. Good time to throw some seasoning on when I get a chance. Perfect. Now I'm going to pour some water over it. Get that soup mixture going here. Just give that a stir. Oh, yeah, it's already looking good. I got a beef bouillon cube too I'm going to throw on there. Throw that lid on, let that boil a bit. Maybe I got lucky. Maybe it's not totally lost. It's okay, that'll work still. Let's restart here, I guess. Alright, stick that there. A little hot. See how it's looking here. Oh yeah, potatoes are soft. That's what we want. I think it's time to take it off and let it cool. That's a good spot right there. All right, I think we're ready to eat here. Handle's still a little hot. Get my bandana off the pack here so I can hold it. Nice. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh yeah, I hit the spot. Well, I'm gonna start packing up here, getting this fire put out, and start heading back up to the car. It's obviously dark out, so I'm not planning on staying tonight, so I better get. But hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like these types of videos, please make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Roots and Ruins. I really appreciate the support. I got a whole slew of videos coming up here in the future, and if you guys are wanting to check those out, make sure you turn on notifications and you'll get a chime whenever I post again. So Until then, I'll see you on the next one.